Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where speaking English feels natural. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kevin. Hi, everyone.
Before we begin, let me ask you something, Kevin. How's your day going today?
Today feels good. Not rushed, not stressful. I'm in a pretty relaxed mood right now. How about you, Sarah?
I feel the same. Calm, comfortable, and ready to talk. Those are the best days, right?
Absolutely.
How about you?
I'm great, actually. I'm still recovering from something a bit embarrassing.
Oh, what happened, Kevin?
Well, I have this habit. Every Sunday night, I eat way too much pizza.
Really? Too much pizza?
Yes. Last night, I ordered a large pizza just for myself, and I ate almost all of it.
Almost all of it. Kevin, that's a lot of pizza.
I know. My stomach was so full, but it was delicious.
Well, pizza is hard to resist. I totally understand. Do you do this every Sunday?
Pretty much. It's my weekend tradition. Work all week, then Sunday night, pizza time.
That's actually kind of sweet. Everyone needs a little weekend treat.
What about you, Sarah? Do you have any weekend habits?
Yes. Every Saturday morning, I wake up really late, like 10 or 11 o'clock.
Really? That is late.
I know, but during the week, I wake up at 6 a.m. So Saturday, I just sleep and sleep.
That makes sense. You deserve the rest.
Thank you. And you know what? This made me think. Talking about weekends is something we do all the time.
Oh, yes. Every Monday, people ask, how was your weekend?
Exactly. And that's actually what we're talking about today.
Really? Perfect timing.
Yes. Today we're going to learn how to talk about your weekend naturally and confidently. This is such a common conversation.
I need this. Sometimes I don't know what to say when people ask me.
Don't worry. By the end of today, you'll have so many ways to talk about your weekend. But first, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you're enjoying Master English Channel and learning with us, please subscribe.
And don't forget to click the like button. It really helps us continue making these episodes for you.
And if you know someone who's learning English, share this episode with them.
Thank you so much for your support. We love hearing from you. Now, Kevin, let's talk about weekends.
Okay, Sarah, so when someone asks me, how was your weekend, what should I say?
Great question. The most important thing is to give more than one word. Don't just say good or fine.
So I need to add more information?
Exactly. Let's start simple. You can say, it was great. I had a really nice time.
It was great. I had a really nice time. Okay, that's better than just good.
Much better. Now let's add some variety. If your weekend was relaxing, you can say, it was really relaxing. I just stayed home and rested.
It was really relaxing. I just stayed home and rested. That sounds natural.
It does. Or if your weekend was busy, you can say, it was super busy. I had so much to do.
It was super busy. I had so much to do. Yes, I can use that.
Perfect. Now, what if your weekend wasn't special, just normal?
Can I say it was boring?
Well, you could, but that sounds a bit negative. Instead, try, it was pretty quiet, nothing too exciting.
It was pretty quiet. Nothing too exciting. That's much better.
Exactly. It's honest, but not negative. Now, let's practice some more responses. If you had fun, you can say, it was fantastic. I had such a good time.
It was fantastic. I had such a good time. I like how excited that sounds.
Yes. And if you did something special, you can say, it was wonderful. I did something really fun.
It was wonderful. I did something really fun. Great.
Now, here's a fun one. If your weekend went by really fast, you can say, it flew by. I can't believe it's Monday already.
Oh, it flew by. I can't believe it's Monday already. I say that every week.
Me too, Kevin. That's why it's such a common phrase. Flew by means passed very quickly.
So the weekend flew by. That's useful.
Very useful. Now, let's practice together. Imagine I ask you, hey, Kevin, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was great. I had a really nice time. It flew by, though.
Perfect. That sounds so natural. Let's try another one. How was your weekend, Kevin?
Confident. It was super relaxing. I just stayed home, watched some movies, and ate way too much pizza.
There's the pizza again. But yes, that's exactly how you should answer. Natural and friendly. Now, after you answer how, people usually ask, what did you do?
Yes, that's the hard part for me.
Don't worry, it's actually easy. You just need some simple phrases. Let's start with Saturday. You can say, on Saturday, I went to the park.
On Saturday, I went to the park. Simple and clear.
Exactly. Or, on Saturday morning, I slept in. Slept in means you woke up late.
Oh, slept in. So, on Saturday morning, I slept in until 11, just like you.
Exactly. Now, what about activities? You can say, I went shopping with my family.
I went shopping with my family. Good.
Or, I watched a movie at home. I met up with some friends. I cleaned my apartment.
I watched a movie at home. I met up with some friends. I cleaned my apartment. These are all useful.
They are. Now, let's talk about Sunday. You can start with, on Sunday, I, and then add what you did.
On Sunday, I, cooked a big breakfast.
Perfect. On Sunday, I cooked a big breakfast. That sounds great. What else can we say?
On Sunday, I went to church.
Yes. On Sunday, I went to church. Or on Sunday, I visited my parents.
On Sunday, I visited my parents. Good.
Now, here's something important. When you're talking about your weekend, use connecting words like first, then, after that, and finally.
Oh, to connect the activities.
Exactly. Listen to this example. First, I slept in. Then, I went to the gym. After that, I met my friends for lunch. Finally, I came home and relaxed.
Wow, that flows so well. Let me try. First, I woke up late. Then I made breakfast. After that, I watched TV. Finally, I ordered pizza. Perfect, Kevin. That pizza had to be in there. But yes, that's exactly how you tell your weekend story.
This is really helpful. Now, let's practice some fun weekend activities. You can say, I went hiking. I had a picnic. I went to the movies.
I went hiking. I had a picnic. I went to the movies. All great activities.
Yes. Or I played video games. I read a book. I took a nap. Took a nap means you slept during the day.
I took a nap. I love naps on weekends.
Me too. Now, what if you stayed home? You can say, I just stayed home and relaxed. Or, I had a lazy weekend.
I had a lazy weekend. Sometimes that's the best kind.
Absolutely. Now, let's practice a full conversation. I'll ask you, and you tell me about your weekend.
Okay.
Hey, Kevin, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was great. Super relaxing.
Nice. What did you do?
Well, on Saturday, I slept in until 11. Then I went to the gym. After that, I met my friends for coffee. And on Sunday, I just stayed home. I watched some movies and ate pizza.
Excellent, Kevin. That sounded so natural and friendly. You're doing amazing, Kevin. Now, let's learn how to ask others about their weekend.
Oh, yes. I want to know how to ask too.
The most common way is, how was your weekend? But you can also say, did you have a good weekend?
Did you have a good weekend? That's nice and friendly.
It is. Or you can be more specific and ask, what did you do this weekend?
What did you do this weekend? Perfect for starting a conversation.
Exactly. And if someone mentions something interesting, you can ask follow-up questions like, oh, you went hiking? Where did you go?
Ah, so I show interest by asking more questions?
Yes, that makes the conversation flow naturally. Try asking me.
Sarah, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was lovely. I went to a farmer's market on Saturday.
Oh, nice. What did you buy?
I bought some fresh vegetables and some beautiful flowers.
That sounds wonderful.
Perfect, Kevin. See how natural that felt?
Yes, the conversation just flows.
Now, let's practice some example sentences. Listen and repeat after me. I had a great weekend.
I had a great weekend.
Next phrase, I went to the beach with my family.
I went to the beach with my family.
Continuing, the weather was beautiful.
The weather was beautiful.
Another one, I spent time with my friends.
I spent time with my friends.
Final practice, I just relaxed at home.
I just relaxed at home.
Wonderful. Now you have so many ways to talk about your weekend.
I feel ready to answer when people ask me.
That's great. Now we have a question for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, we really want to hear from you.
In the comments below, tell us, how was your weekend? What did you do?
For example, you can write, I went shopping on Saturday. Or, I had a lazy weekend and watched movies.
Yes, and try using some of the phrases we learned today, like it flew by or I slept in.
This is great practice for writing in English. And remember, we read every single comment.
We do, and we love seeing what you did on your weekend. It's so interesting.
So please share your weekend story with us. Did you have fun? Did you relax? Did you eat too much pizza like me?
Yes, tell us everything.
And if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We hope these phrases help you talk about your weekends naturally and confidently.
Remember, talking about weekends is one of the easiest ways to practice your English. Everyone does it.
Exactly. So next time someone asks you, how was your weekend? You'll know exactly what to say.
Practice these phrases and have fun with them. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy your weekends. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.